Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe before watching. If you want to go from this to this, keep on watching. So first off, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut to prime my eyes. Please do this. If you do want your colors to be more vibrant, just go with a lighter shade. And then I'm going to set this concealer with some powder because child, my eyelids, they crease so fast. So then I'm taking this purple shade from the quad exclusive, sorry, and just building up that purple shadow in my crease, and then I'll be blending it out afterwards. Just take your time. Do not rush this process, okay? Then I'm going in with the Experiment quad, and I'm using these two blue shades. First, I'm using like a flat shader brush to put it on my outer V and also in my inner corner. I do this because first I'd like to put the pigment on my eyes and then I will blend it out. That's what I usually do. So now I'm going with that lighter blue shade, and then I noticed that I felt like the other eye didn't have so much of that lighter blue shade, so I tried to fix it. I didn't really show you guys that much of me fixing it, but it worked out. So then I'm using that brush to connect those colors in the crease. And yeah, I decided to change my brush. I do that a lot, so sorry guys about that. So just to blend that out in the crease with the purple. And then I'm taking this beautiful gold shade from the Executive palette and putting that on my lid right in the middle. Basically, we're creating a halo eye. I love halo eye looks. They're just my thing. Then I'm taking this beautiful golder shade. I feel like this gold shade seems more expensive. It was from the Exclusive shade palette. It looks so good. You can see how much more vibrant that gold looks now. The first one was just more brownish, but this was just more gold and hella expensive. So then I'm just blending those blue shades and purple shades in, so you know, they look like they're melting together. Then I'm taking that light purple shade to just blend out the edges. I will change my brush once again. I don't know why I do that. And guys, this is basically it for like the first half of my eye. So now I'm going in with my moisturizing primer. This primer is really amazing. It really moisturizes my face, so I have no complaints. If you want to see a full review, don't forget to check out my other video. So then I'm using their Glow Skin foundation. This is currently my favorite foundation, and I'm in the shade FX16. So I'm just about to blend that out, and you can see the transformation to a glowy skin. So now I'm going in with my concealer. This is the Super Fix Concealer in the shade CX13. I'm applying that on the usual places, under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and around my Cupid's bow. So when I'm going to blend this in, I'm creating like a neater look near my eyes. So I'll put it near my eyes so it lifts up the eyeshadow and it looks more sharp and pretty. I love that look. So now I'm going in with my Sashabuttercup setting powder. Listen, I believe that this powder is an OG, one of the best out there, and it is black owned, which is amazing. So then I'm going in with my Aphotic bronzer powder by Xxrevolution. Yes, I am contouring with this because it's more of a contour shade for me than a bronzer. It looks messy at first, but then I'll blend it out. That's just how I do my makeup, guys. I know it seems a lot of work, but it just works out for me. If you want a video on how I contour my nose in detail, then just let me know in the comment section because I've been planning to do that. Just let me know if you really want to see that. Then I'm taking that quad again, the Experiment quad, and I'm using that Blow Shimmer shade underneath my lash line. These shimmer shades are amazing. Just check out my previous video. I was raving about them. They swatch really nice. So then I'm taking my lip liner. It's a brown lip liner from the beauty supply store, you guys. Guys, I do not pay a lot of money for lip liners because these ones, they glide on so well and they're just £1. You can see that. Then I'm going with my lip gloss in the shade Radiant. I love this lip gloss. It does not stick like other lip glosses. The shade is perfect for a nudish shade that I like. So yeah. So then I'm going with my highlighter. This is the Golden Hour highlighter. I have to be really honest. I was like so over golden highlighters because I felt like they were so unnatural. But when I bought this one, I kind of changed my mind. Listen, I'm a woman. I can change my mind. So to set everything, I am using the Glow Fix Brightening Setting Spray. Guys, my nozzle broke, but it is what it is. This was the end, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in my next video.